Tararuas, and it is blowing an absolute gale up here.
Yep, that's me. I'm in a bit of trouble actually. The truth is, I've cocked up. I'm stranded on the mountains of New Zealand after walking 9 kilometres along a track I believe to only be 6. The worst part is, the sun is setting and the winds are picking up, and I'm still a wee ways away from any form of shelter. So I think it's safe to say, I'm out of my depth. But how did I actually get here?
Alrighty, welcome to the Tararua Forest Park, and it's a 1 o'clock start and I've got a big old hike up to the tops. I'm already hot. There's lancewood up there behind me. It's a cool tree, looks completely different when it's mature. We're in the beech forest now. The trees are starting to thin. It means we're getting close to the top. There are some awesome, just gigantic beech trees, covered in just alpine moss. Now I've got a young hortopito growing here. That's what we like to see. Nice native plant. Got a good flavour to it if you can bear the spice. Look at these beech trees. That is awesome. I love how everything's covered in this alpine moss, because this area just spends so much time in the clouds. Everything just gets saturated and it's perfect for this moss. Holy heck, look at this beast. It's got to be the biggest hut I've ever seen. Don't even have time for a good lunch stop, I just got to crack on. But I tell you what, look at this. It said about 3 to 4 hours to the hut. There's an hour 45 till sunset. But I got to hustle, that's for sure. Wow. I'm reaching build limit. Just going to use this opportunity to put on some warm layers. Forgot my pole. Speed up. I have got to get a wriggle on. Does look pretty windy up there. Look at that. That's where I started. That's where I'm going. Holy heck. Whoa. I hope no one has a fear of heights. Dang. That is where I'm going. Can get sketched pretty quick up here. Not excited for this nonsense, peeking its way through the cloud. I'm at the point of delirium. I just came over this kind of rise and I look and I'm like, oh, there's a whole bunch of deer. But it's just some plants. I've just come around the corner and got smacked in the face with a gnarly breeze. It's not too strong, but it is chilling. It is cold, man. I'd really like to make it there before the sun sets. As soon as it gets dark, I'm going to be in trouble. Look at this. Whoa. Back in the sunshine. It's incredible. Oh, I've just stepped foot in a freezing cold bog. Oh, my toes! Well, I officially can't feel my fingers. What a cracker evening. Far out. I tell you what, you come around this corner, the hut is there, but oh my gosh, is it windy. Woo! At long last, shelter. I think my hands have swollen from all day walking. My secret weapon. Hello.
I was like, because up here, I think we were kind of sitting down and you're right. I was like, what are you doing? He was like, oh, I'm kind of thinking about the photo. Because I was making my really great face.
Alrighty, time to leave Calm Hut. So beautiful, the stars are insane. The Tararua is very well known for being New Zealand's most windiest mountains because they can get really hairy up here really fast. The dangerous thing about wind here in the mountains is it just absolutely sucks all the heat away from you really quick. As I found last night, I was doing fine until that wind picked up, and I didn't have my windbreaker layers on. I just had warm clothes, and that didn't matter. The wind just went straight through and sucked the heat away from my body. Just drop back into the monkey scrub now. Back in the potto carp now. Well, check that out. That's a cool cave. You could almost sleep under that. Crystal clear water. Thank goodness there's a toilet here. Things were getting pretty desperate back there.